Hi everyone, welcome to Routine Wisdom. Today we are going to show you how to do the Superman method on getting toddlers and preschoolers to put their coats on by themselves. Some people call it the dip and flip, but in my house full of boys we call it, what do we call it?
The Superman flip.
The Superman flip. Okay, so Reese, I'm going to hand you your coat and you're going to put it on the floor. Remember, your tag goes by your toes. There, and then show your friends how you put your hands in the holes, and flip it over. Stick your arms through, and he did it. So we'll show it to you one more time. Come here, let's take it off. Show our friends one more time how to do it.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm gonna hand him his coat this way so he can put it on the floor with his tag by his toes. And then hands in the holes, flipping up. All right, okay, and then I will start the zipper for him, and some language I use for that is feeding the banana to the monkey. So we're gonna put the banana in the monkey's mouth, right? And zip it up. And then you zip it up the rest of the way for Mom.
I know.
And he did it. That's the flip and dip or the Superman flip. Okay, say bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.